Welcome to another program in the Tech AV Technical Training Series, in which you are going to learn about the bench grinding machine. In this first program, we shall discuss the basic purpose of the machine and its parts. We shall also demonstrate typical procedures for using a bench-mounted machine. The primary purpose of any grinding machine is to shape metal workpieces. Most general engineering workshops will possess at least one bench-mounted general-purpose type grinding machine. Such a machine is this bench grinder, which, with practice, can be used for sharpening such items as lathe cutting tips, drill bits, cold chisels, domestic tools, and center punches, to mention but a few applications. Excess metal stock is also quickly removed for rough shaping operations in repair or manufacturing operations. Let's examine the construction of this typical bench grinder. Firstly, notice that it is well secured and solidly bolted onto a firm base, in this case, a workbench. Power is supplied via the shop supply by an electric motor, which carries the two grinding wheels on a common shaft. One wheel will usually be a roughing wheel, that is a coarse grit type, the other a medium or fine grit wheel. The motor is of constant speed rating and is controlled by a simple on-off switch. Each grinding wheel is made of specially bonded abrasive material, which we shall discuss in more detail later on. Each wheel is partially covered with sturdy metal wheel guards to provide some protection to the operator should a wheel come loose. There is an inner and outer guard around each wheel. Transparent spark shields made from heavy-duty plastic offer limited personal protection against grit or chips flying off the work. Workpieces are usually supported on or against these adjustable tool rests. Each machine must carry a specification plate or decal. This is a legal requirement and must display such information as motor kilowatt rating, spindle speed in revolutions per minute, and voltage requirements. After the break, we shall demonstrate practical usage of the bench grinder.